Hey everybody, Ian here at TradeStalker.com with your recap for May 3rd, 2016. Well, you can see we had quite a gap down today. Mike had actually talked about in the recap that things looked a little shaky on Monday, regardless of whether the market moved up. It didn't move up with a ton of strength, and so it was possible that we get a two-sided day or a down day, and we actually got both of those. And you can see we got a very big gap down here, and the market just sold off from there. You can see though that the levels, these are the support levels in green again that I put on my chart that Mike has from the prior day. You can see that they still gave some very nice opportunities. So like right here you can see this 57.5 to 58.5 gave a nice bounce of about 3 or 4 points before finally getting taken out. The market couldn't even get back up to this level again, and it sold off and took us down to this 51.5 to 52.5 level. This was, I believe, the last level that Mike had given on the day from the recap. And you can see that we did, we broke it by a little bit and then came right back up and got a decent sized bounce and then consolidated here. And so this is something that will happen is, obviously you want to use stops, you want to be careful because levels will get violated. But a lot of times these important levels, the market will come back to those levels and hang around them, if not react through them. And you can see that after we broke finally down and then we're unable to hold this level again on the downside, excuse me, we broke up through this, and then when we came back down again, we held it, and so it acted as support. So this initially was a support level that became a chopping level, and then finally when we broke above it again, it acted as support. And once you see that kind of thing happen, you can see how over here the market bounced off it again, so it became valid once again over here. So you want to just kind of pay attention to little stuff like that in terms of the levels. So after we bounced off this 51.5 to 52.5 level, we came up to 57.5 to 58.5 level, and you can see how the market really just kind of goes level to level. So that's the benefit of having this stuff. Again, the market was strong. Mike was talking about the strength of it here, and you can see got a tiny little pullback before bouncing higher, and lo and behold, level to level, it took us up to 62.5 to 63.5, where after stalling out, we didn't even get any higher than the 60 to 63 area, and then turned around and took us right back down to 57.5 to 58.5, transitioned again, pulled back, bounced up, and then came right back down to 52, which held the low and took us back up to 57.5 to 58.5 at the end of the day. So overall, like Mike says, it's kind of a trading by the numbers kind of thing. You look at how price reacts around these levels, and you have a pretty good game plan for what to do when you take it in conjunction with the recap that he gives the prior day. Hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, you can always email Mike at TradeStalker.com, and I hope you guys have a great evening. Thanks.